Pioneer Manufacturing Distribution has been operating for over 13 years, and they've been providing us with products that are found in almost every home in Jamaica. Joining us this morning to tell us about their offerings are PMD's Business Development Manager, Anna K. Aldridge, and Brand Manager, Nathania Powell. Good morning, ladies. Good morning, ladies. I heard them a second ago, viewers. Trust me, they'll be with me in a minute. Nathania and Anna Kay.
Hi here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, I'm going to start with you, Anna Kay. Tell us a little bit about PMD.
Well, PMD is almost in its 15th year. We were formed by a visionary who not only had a passion for marketing and advertising, but also saw a need for the provision of high quality cleaning chemicals for the Jamaican populace.
All right.
So in 2007, we purchased the brand Chloridu Bleach, and today that's our flagship brand. We then partnered with multinational company Diversity to provide environmentally friendly hygiene or cleaning solutions for our customers.
All right. So in this COVID-19 time, most people are doing internal adjustments, and that's what I want to talk about first of all. With you again, Anna Kay. What's the company doing in office with staff to curtail COVID-19?
All right, well, we have posted numerous posters on our memo board, which basically to provide information to the staff about COVID-19, the symptoms, who to contact if it is that you have symptoms. We've also been testing their temperatures every day. We provided each member of staff with masks as well as hand sanitizers. So the hand sanitizer that we have within our portfolio is Soft Care Desi, and it has as much as 70% alcohol content. It also contains a moisturizer. I know a number of persons are concerned about the sanitizer drying out their hands.
Yes.
You will have that issue with the Soft Care Desi.
All right, wonderful. So for the consumer, we're rest assured that the people who are handling the products that we are going to use ourselves are themselves protected. I want to move to you, Nathania, because I want to know, and we've been saying it in terms of the products and so on, specifically for COVID-19, what are the products that PMD you've been rolling out? Some of them are products you've had for a long time, but what are some of the products that we can look forward to?
Well, I just want to add to what Anna Kay had said earlier about some of the plans we have rolled out in the past couple of months to help our staff. And some of the products that we have on board are the Alpha HP, the Soft Care Desi. We also have the Virex, and we have a wide amalgamation of products here at our office that we're encouraging the Jamaican populace to just call in. We can provide further information. We can be contacted at 876-382-8180 for further information as to how they can place their orders and how deliveries can be made to them.
All right, everyone knows that Chlorido is the bleach. You've used some names. I wanted to explain to me exactly what those products are. So let's start with the Alpha HP. What's the Alpha HP?
All right, the Alpha HP is a hydrogen peroxide product. It was formulated by Diversity, and hydrogen peroxide has been synthetically accelerated to provide a broad spectrum, which basically means to kill a huge number of viruses, including the novel coronavirus, and to provide disinfection. So we have a mixture of disinfectants and sanitizers, as well as hand sanitizers and hand soap.
All right, so that's the Alpha HP. The voice dropped out a bit. So for the listeners, it's a multi-purpose cleaner disinfectant. That's what the Alpha HP is. And it's ideal for sterilization of hard, non-porous surfaces. And the Virex 2, 256?
Virex 2 is a one-step disinfectant, and deodorizer. So instead of purchasing two separate products, we've combined the two products into one. So if it is that you need, once you've disinfected, you can deodorize. So the deodorizer will basically rid the area of microorganisms.
And finally, there's the final step, sanitizer. The name speaks for itself. And you also have the soft care line,
Right.
the Des E, which is a waterless hand disinfectant with moisturizer, which we mentioned earlier, and the Plus Free, which is the antibacterial hand soap. And I'm glad they're gentle because we have to do so much of it that the surface of the skin, boy, it's been taking a battering. Who can use your products, Nathania? Are these products just for industrial purposes, or do you have residential grade and residential access to your products?
We do. Our products are ideally for churches, schools, hospitals, hotels. I mean, as a single person can just walk into our office and make a purchase. We cater for the single customer as well. So it's not just on an industrial scale. We cater for all.
All right. And okay, for persons who want to get the products, we're maintaining physical distance now. What do they do? Do they purchase online? Is there a pickup? How do they access your products?
All right. Unfortunately, we don't have e-commerce available right now, but we do provide delivery island-wide. So persons can give a call into our office, and then we'll arrange delivery for them. As Nathania mentioned earlier, the numbers to call are 630-1276, 382-8180, or 550-2912.
And of course, for persons who want to get Clorido, it's in their wholesale, supermarkets, mega stores, pharmacies. So look for the PMD products in your favorite shopping place, or you can go to PMD itself. You guys just had a great contract with a company in Cayman. So good things happening for PMD, Annika and Nathania. Is there anything else you want to share with our viewers before we go?
Well, yes, Delia, what we wanted to highlight this morning is that Clorido Bleach has been an iconic, long-standing brand, and oftentimes persons normally say, "Well, this brand has been around since Wapikill Philo," and we just wanted to take the opportunity to let the Jamaican populace know that our brand is uniquely formulated to deactivate bacteria on surfaces that doesn't allow air or liquid to readily pass through. And we wanted our customers to know that we have heard their cry, and as such, over the next couple of weeks, we'll be rolling something out, something spectacular with our brand, something tantalizing and appealing to the eyes. And it's our revamped label of our brand, and we just want our consumers to know that it's the same good Clorido that you know before. Nothing really has changed, only the label. So we want the Jamaican populace to be cognizant of that. We're still the same genuine brand that was there before.
All right, so the bleach, they've come to love and trust, same great quality, just in a brand new look.
Just in a brand new look.
All right, ladies, and I know, of course, as we always like to tell people, ingesting or injecting is a no-no.
Right, it's definitely a no-no for us. That can result in a number of health risks for the consumer, and as such, we advise against doing that. With the new label, we've also highlighted in red the different precautions. So one consumer to pay special attention to that when using the product.
All right, thank you so much for speaking with us this morning, and congrats again to PMD, another great Jamaican company helping us to overcome this battle with COVID-19. Speaking with us there, Anna K. Aldridge, PMD's Business Development Manager, and Brand Manager, Nathania Powell. Up next, Samantha George takes us into the kitchen. Stay with us.